In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Tasks directly from Gmail. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you understand how to integrate your email seamlessly with your task management. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Gmail inbox. If you're not already there, simply navigate to mail.google.com and log into your account. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to look around. Familiarize yourself with the layout, especially the side panels and icons, because these will be important in the next few steps. Now direct your attention to the right hand side of your screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like a blue check mark on a yellow background. That's the Tasks icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Google Tasks panel, a handy sidebar feature that allows you to capture important to-dos without leaving your inbox. With the Tasks panel open, you'll see an option that says Add a Task. Click on that option. Doing so will create a new task entry right in the sidebar. It's a simple and straightforward process designed to keep your workflow as efficient as possible. Next, it's time to title your task. This is an essential step because your task's title should precisely reflect what needs to be done. Click into the title field and type in a clear, concise name for your task. Keep in mind that a good title will quickly remind you of the task's purpose without needing to read further. Once your task has a title, you can add more details if needed. This is useful for tasks that require additional context or steps to complete. Under the title field, click on the option to add details. Here you can write a description or any specific instructions that are relevant to the task. The more detailed your description, the easier it will be to tackle the task later on without having to dig through your emails for reminders. After entering your task's details, you might want to assign a date and time for when you plan to complete it. Look for the calendar icon within your tasks entry and give it a click. This allows you to set a deadline, helping you to prioritize and schedule your tasks effectively. Add the due date and, if needed, specify a time so that you'll receive a timely reminder to complete your task. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google task from within your Gmail inbox. Integrating tasks with your email can greatly improve productivity by keeping all your essential information and reminders in one accessible place. Like anything, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try creating a few more tasks as you become more comfortable with this process. Thanks for watching, and happy task management.